What's up, my name is TechNoba here for Troubleshoot, and in today's video we're going to be running through some fixes for Vulkan errors with Rainbow Six Siege. So, assuming that you open up Uplay, you find Rainbow Six Siege and you ask it to start up your game, then it crashes out at some point while loading or after that with a Vulkan related error. What exactly can we do about it? Well, before we get into any sort of troubleshooting, make sure that your drivers are up to date. Press start and type in update, then check for updates, and we'll simply wait for Windows Update to check to see if there are updates. If you see the button, make sure to click it. If there are any updates that are found, make sure to download and install them, and once your PC restarts, try and see if the game has fixed itself. Assuming that it hasn't, the next thing that we need to do is make sure that our graphics drivers are up to date. So, assuming that you have an NVIDIA or AMD graphics card, make sure to head across to the respective website. To update your graphics drivers, make sure to check the description down below for a link to the NVIDIA website, as well as the AMD graphics website, where you can go ahead and pick your graphics card, download and install the latest graphics drivers. Assuming you have something like GeForce Experience, you can use that to update your drivers as well. Then once you've made sure that your drivers and Windows are up to date, try and launch up the game and see if it works. If you're still having an issue, then there's one more thing that we need to look at before we can go any further. Make sure to check the next link in the description down below, which is Ubisoft's page talking about DLL errors, but this also applies to the Vulkan API. So scrolling down, you can see ensure your system meets the minimum requirements. This will be linked down below, and the minimum graphics requirements are over here. Radeon HD 77X or better, Intel Gen 9, Intel HD Graphics 500 or better, and NVIDIA GTX 6 series or better. Now, of course, these requirements are very low, but if your PC doesn't meet these requirements, then unfortunately you won't be able to play the game in Vulkan mode. And of course, they recommend verifying your game files as well. Of course, if you need instructions on doing that for Uplay, Epic Games, or Steam, these are all linked on the help page in the description down below. But of course, you probably won't need to do that up until the last few attempts. So once you've made sure that your PC is actually compatible with the game and everything's up to date, if it still doesn't work, then there's one more thing that we can try. Inside of the Ubisoft launcher, simply head across to where the game is, so Rainbow Six Siege, and then scroll down on the left-hand side and find Properties. Then simply navigate to where this folder is by clicking Open Folder. Then once the folder opens as such, mine's in eGames Ubisoft Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. When we're in this folder, simply scroll down until you see these over here, Rainbow Six _Vulkan.exe. When you see this, simply right-click on it, click Properties, and we'll look at the Compatibility tab. Then make sure Run this program as administrator is checked, and click OK. Then simply double-click on this exe, click Yes when prompted for admin, and the game should start up as per normal. This is a fix that a lot of people recommend, and assuming that your PC should be compatible with the game, this is usually what the issue is. Note that this can break the Discord overlay, Ubisoft overlay, and things alike. If you'd like those to still work, make sure to launch those applications as admin as well, and they should be able to add their overlay if they currently aren't able to. And of course, with all of that aside, if you're still having issues, make sure to verify the game files. And of course, if you followed every step in this video and you're still having issues launching Rainbow Six Siege, unfortunately, your troubleshooting journey hasn't come to an end. I wish you luck on finding the solutions to your problems. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TechNoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!